Hi viewers, and welcome to Vox Singing Academy's Laryngitis Diaries. This is proudly brought to you by Vox Singing Academy and the Ultimate Online Singing Course. If you want singing lessons online, please check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course at www.voxsingingacademy.com, or if you want lessons with our fantastic establishment and teachers, please look up www.voxsingingacademy.com.au, and that's even if you want online singing lessons. We can help you out with that anywhere in the world as well too. If you want in-studio lessons, please let us know, and we can definitely help you out at our numerous studios that we have here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. Okay, now I'm going to start in true voice down low. I'm going to see what happens with my true voice here. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do a triad starting super low, so I'm not going to push my voice too hard here at all. There's no tone quality. I can feel there's a lot of phlegm on there. It's an awful tone. Having a lot of trouble controlling it. I'm keeping as bright as I can. Hear my voice cracked at the top. I'm trying to support my stomach, so I'm taking the strain off here. My vocal cords don't even sound like they normally do. This is quite embarrassing actually, this sound, but as I said, my vocal cords are very, very sick and inflamed. Really strange sound. I normally have a very clear, beautiful, crisp sound here. I'm not going to push my voice anymore because I'm actually afraid that I might damage it if I push it more. I think I probably have about 3 or 4 more notes there, but the quality of my tone is just awful because they're perforated and there's a lot of phlegm and probably pus on my vocal cords at the moment. Let's see how my true voice goes starting down low. Feels very unclear. Feels like there's phlegm on it, feels like there's vibration, feels heavy, doesn't feel like I can sing as high even though I'm still in my low range. It feels really buzzy, doesn't sound like it's my voice. I'm going to change the pattern here so it's easy for me. Because I can raise to the first note and slide down. It's like the Nike logo. I'm really trying to put the sounds in my head, in between my ears. I'm having a lot of trouble here. I'm trying to unblock my ears. I'm supporting my stomach. I'm raising. I'm trying to sing as light as I can. I'm going to cry. That's about as far as I'm going to go. I've only got to probably G there. I'm not going to push it here. My last note, very husky. I'm going to try to clean it up with more support and bring the volume down. I really can't. It really feels good about out there. My top range of my true voice doesn't feel great at all, which is good. Let's see how my true voice is going. Art, 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 art. A lot better than that was 2 days ago. I had no control around this area 2 days ago. Art, 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 art. Trying to raise up. Art. So I'm not hitting any notes hard. Art. I'm going to go with a cry. Wah. 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 My voice is a bit huskier on the cry. It's dropping it down in my throat a little bit more, doing a cry. So I'm going to revert back to the arts again. Still try to sob though. Art, 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 wah, 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 probably only one tone difference today than what it was yesterday. So I'm going one tone higher. So I have got laryngitis. That just proves I've got laryngitis more so in my true vocal cords, not so much in my false vocal cords. All my false vocal cords are getting a lot better. I only got one note improvement, sounding great. Let's go with my true voice. Wah, 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 wah. My voice is feeling good and clean up to here, which is the chord of G sharp. Other than that, my top notes are sounding and feeling husky, and they're feeling weighed down. Now I went to an A then, and I had to kind of push it to get my A. But normally sing a C, C sharp, and a D. So I'm still quite a ways away from where I normally sing, but it is a big progression since Monday, and even yesterday and the day before. I know I was only about to sing, I think on the Tuesday, about to an E or an F, and yesterday to about a G or a G sharp. So it's going up, it's getting better, slowly but surely. Okay, let's see how I'm going with my true voice. Go with a cry. Ooh-wah, 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 ooh-wah. Voice not feeling clean or clear here in the middle part to high part of my range. Wah, 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 My voice feels like it's got a lot of phlegm on it today. I went up to high C then. I'm pretty happy with that. I was really having to work to get those. I was nearly sitting a little bit underneath the notes. But I'm going to be saying that my voice is probably now, it's 5 days in. If I just got rid of a lot of this phlegm, steamed up, lots of showers, buckets of steam, I reckon I'll be right to go for a gig, full bore, and be able to sing anything and everything. At the moment, I would probably give it another 1 or 2 days before I went really hard with my voice again. But I'm feeling that my voice is feeling about 95% there, which is great. I'm super, super happy that I've got my voice back. And when you've got laryngitis, you really appreciate having your voice back. Let's go with my true voice, because that's what's basically been giving me a little bit of grief, is my true voice. My falsetto come back very early. Let's just see how this goes. Whoa. Feels like I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, but it feels like I'm struggling a little bit towards the top range, but I'm sure if I warm up a little bit more, I'll be able to get to my normal top range. So I'm going to continue going up toward the top and see how long it takes me to warm up in my top range here. Whoa, whoa. I'm trying to really place the sound in my soft palate as well, to getting it off my chords. Whoa, whoa. I'm sure if I went up another 3, 4, 5 more times, I'll be able to get that C. I went up to high C then, a lot easier. Normally I get high C quite easy, and I had to work to get it. But I'm sure that if I warm up, I don't want to take up your time. I'm sure if I warm up, I will be feeling, I'll be able to get that as normal. So my voice, in my true voice, feels 97% there, 98% there. I'm sure with a good sleep tonight, it'll be 110%. So my voice is feeling fine.